So we are here with number 13, taking a look down the list to see if there are any that already are in the table. That looks like there are. I've got a 3, 3 here and a 3, 3 here, so that one is for sure something that satisfies the function. And it doesn't look like I have any of the other points that I could test. So let's go ahead and get an equation and get moving with it. So this is increasing by 3. This is increasing by 1. So my slope is 3 over 1, or 3. Y-intercept on this one is -6. So we'll test point A. We've got y equals, our slope is 3. Y-intercept is -6. So point A is going to be -10 is equal to 3 times -2 minus 6. So -10 is equal to -6 minus 6. That's not going to work. -10 is not equal to -12. So A is not something that satisfies the function. B, y equals 3x minus 6. We've got 1 is equal to 3 times -3 minus 6. This one's not going to work either because -9 minus 6 is -15, and 1 is not equal to -15. Okay. And the last one we need to test is point D. So we have y equals 3x minus 6. And so we got 12 equals 3 times 8 minus 6. And 12 equals 24 minus 6. The answer is no. 12 is not equal to 18. So for that one, C is the only one that works. Crazy. Okay. Leave it here for a moment and I'll move on to 14. So 14, we have an increase of 3 on the right side, an increase of 1 on the left side. So our slope, 3 over 1, or 3. Y-intercept to get back to 0, we need to go back by 3 on this side. Puts us at 1, so our y-intercept is 1. And I didn't check to see if any of our points match. We do have points that match. Look, we've got 5 and 16 here, and 5 and 16 here. So point B for sure works. And none of the others are there to be able to test. So we can skip over testing B. So for A, we're going to have y equals 3x plus 1. So our y value for A is -8 equals 3 times -3 plus 1. So -8 equals -9 plus 1. And yes, -8 is equal to -8. So A is a solution to this, or it does satisfy the function. So C, y equals 3x plus 1. -20 is equal to 3 times -8 plus 1. -20 is equal to -24 plus 1. The answer is going to be no. -20 is not equal to -23. Part D, y equals 3x plus 1. 32 is equal to 3 times 10 plus 1. The answer is going to be no. 32 is not going to be equal to 31. So D is also out. Okay, and with that, I'll leave this here for a moment, and we'll be on to number 15. One moment. Just had to check my work there for a moment. So moving on to 15. Let's see what we've got. So do we have anything that matches? We do. 4 and 25 and 4 and 25. So that one is a freebie. 9 and 50 are not in there. -7 and -30 are not. 10 and 60 are not either. So we're going to have to do our thing. So there's 5, 5, 5, 5. Going up by 1. And so our slope is going to be 5 over 1 or 5. If I go back 1, I get to 1. If I go back another 1, I get to 0. So I need to back 2 steps. Back 5 puts me at 10. Back 5 more puts me at 5. So our y-intercept is 5. Starting with b, since we already know a works, y equals 5x plus 5. And so 50 is equal to 5 times 9 plus 5. 50 is equal to 45 plus 5. The answer there is yes. 50 is equal to 50. So B satisfies the function. C, y equals 5x plus 5. -30 is equal to 5 times -7 plus 5. -30 is equal to -35 plus 5. -30 is equal to -30. So yes, C satisfies the function. And D, y equals 5x plus 5. 60 is equal to 5 times 10 plus 5. And the answer is no. 60 is not going to be equal to 50 plus 5. 60 is not equal to 55. Okay. I'll pause and then move on to 16. So 16, let's check and see if there are any pairs. There is right here, 8 and 12. So we get A for free. B, C, and D, I don't see any matches there at all. So we're going to have to go ahead and create an equation for those. That's increasing by 4 each time. This is increasing by 2 each time. So our slope is 4 over 2, or 2. And our y-intercept, we need to get back to 0 for that. So down by 2 on that side, down by 4 on this side, puts us at -4. So our equation, and we're going to start with B, is y equals 2x minus 4. We're starting with B because we already know that A works, or A satisfies the function. So -12 is equal to 2 times -4 minus 4. -12 is equal to -8 minus 4. It looks like this one's going to work. -12 is equal to -12. So B satisfies the function. C, y equals 2x minus 4. 9 is equal to 2 times 7 minus 4. 9 is equal to 14 minus 4. The answer is no, 9 is not equal to 10. So C does not satisfy the function. How about D? Y equals 2x minus 4. 26 equals 2 times 15 minus 4. 26 is equal to 30 minus 4. So yes, 26 is equal to 26. So D does satisfy the function. I'll leave that there for a moment, but that's going to be it for 13 through 16. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that you have an awesome day.